Hello there guys, what is going on? Kendi here, and today I'm bringing you guys a tutorial video to show you how to set up the in-game overlay for Discord. So I was actually on YouTube looking for a fix to a different issue that I've got, and I come across a load of videos, and it turns out that people are using third-party applications to get the Discord overlay to work, because apparently the overlay that's in Discord won't work for them. Now that got me thinking about when I first set up the Discord overlay about a year ago, and the issue that I first had, and I wondered if people had the same issue that I've got. So I'm going to bring you this tutorial, show you guys how to get that set up. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down to our name in the bottom left hand corner, and we're going to click on the user settings. From here we're going to click on overlay, and then we're going to tick this box that says enable in-game overlay. Now here we're going to set a toggle button for our in-game overlay to get it to show up while we're in game. This is similar to the toggle button that you use in Steam. So just click on edit keybind, and then it's going to record whatever you type on your keyboard. I like to use shift and whatever this little key is above the tab. You can use whatever you want, and then once you're finished you just click stop recording. Down here you have a bunch of different settings which I'm not going to touch on yet, because you can actually change these settings using the in-game overlay, and it's easier to do it there so you can see what it looks like. The next step that you need to do, and this is something that took me a while to figure out when I first started using this, is you need to come down to where it says games, and in here you can see there that it says for Overwatch and for PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds it says overlay on, and by default all of these are going to be turned off, so they're going to be red with this little line through it. So what you have to do is you have to come into this games section and you have to enable the overlay for each one of the games that you want to be able to use it in. And I've got a feeling this might be the reason why a lot of people are saying that they can't get the Discord overlay to work. Once you've finished this setup, you need to completely close down Discord and restart it. So we'll escape from here, close down Discord, come down to your system tray in the bottom right hand corner, and you can see that Discord is actually still running, so you want to right click, quit Discord, and then relaunch it. So now we've turned on the in-game overlay, we're in our game, and if we press our hotkey, it should toggle the Discord overlay. Here it is. Now, it's not showing any avatars right now because I'm not in a voice channel, so let me just go ahead and jump in a voice channel in my Discord server really quick. And now you can see it's got a little avatar in there to show you that I'm in a voice channel, and it pops up with different avatars depending on how many people you've got in your voice channel. So by grabbing hold of this and moving it around, you can position where you want your overlay to be. And if you go ahead and press your toggle key again, this is what it's going to look like when you're in a game. It's going to come up with these little avatars for all the people that are in your voice channels. Now up here we have the settings icon. And if we click on this we get overlay settings. These are the same settings that we had in Discord earlier. I told you can access these through game. And it's easier to change them in here because you can see the changes that it makes. So from in here you can change the avatar size either large or small. And it changes the size of the avatar. You can choose whether you want to display people's names. Now I have that turned off just because I don't like the look of it, but if I go ahead and change this to always and tab back out, you can see there that it now also shows my name next to my avatar picture. And then finally you can choose to display users always or only while speaking. So right now I've got it checked to display users always, which means when I'm speaking the little avatar lights up, and when I don't speak the little avatar greys out. Just like that, it greys out and it still stays visible on the screen. If you change this to only while speaking, now the avatar will only appear when someone is speaking, and when I stop speaking it'll disappear completely. Then once you've configured your settings, you can go ahead and move it, place it wherever you want to place it. If you move it over to the right hand side, it'll snap the avatar to the right hand side. I prefer to have it up in the top left hand corner somewhere, and then once you've got it positioned where you want it, just hit your hotkey again. So that's it for this tutorial. If it was helpful, leave a like and a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. Check out a link to my Twitch, that'll be in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.